Hello everyone, Dr. Erudite here from Figo Trader. So with me here is in this video I'm talking about like a new tool we did at the Figo team. So we came up with a tool for your MT5. So this tool basically does what you have in TradingView. Of course it's gonna be like a premium tool. What this tool does, just look at what this tool does. From the name, the tool is Figo Trendline Breakout. So what happens is that if the stool detects like a trend line break, let's say we have a trend line drawn here. Attention trader. At- at- Attention trader. Attention trader. Attention trader. Attention trader. Attention trader. Trend line has been broken. So it's quite simple. You get if your tool detects like a trend line break, the set criteria basically, but it's well thought through. If for instance the candlestick tries to break the trend line, what the tool does is it tells you, it calls your attention, it keeps on ringing. You've got to come and check me, that kind of thing. And then when you're done, you can close it. So and then it's also very confirmatory for those who actually love trend line break entry strategy for their trades. Is very good because we did something called like it will continue to ring so long as the candlestick is still trying to pass through. So once the candlestick is done passing through and has confirmed the trend line break, it stops ringing. But if there's like a if this trend, if the first the candlestick goes back inside the trend line, it stops ringing. So it tries to come back, so it repeats itself in that order if there's a trend line break. So your goal is to draw your trend line and just set the alert tool. So this is the tool. So we will be making this public on our website for available for sale. For those who can integrate on the MT5 account, this will help people a lot in their trade because MT5 doesn't have this feature to call your attention to trend line break. So I think this is a great innovation, which would be very helpful for a lot of traders. Thank you very much, Dr. Erudite here from Figo Trader.